Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just created a new Upwork account and you are probably wondering how do I get the connects. So these connects are what you use to apply for the jobs on Upwork, and without them you can't actually submit the proposals. So in this quick video, I will show you exactly how you can find your connects on Upwork, especially if your account is brand new. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first method, you are going to get the free connects on signing up. So when you are going to create your account, your new account, I would say, Upwork is automatically going to give you 50 free connects. So once your profile is approved, you just have to complete your profile, like the title, skills, your work history, and then you need to submit it for review. Once it is approved successfully, you just have to check your connects under the find work. Here you will see find work. If you hover over to the top, here you will see your connects. If you are not able to see the connects over here, you can simply just click on any of the job offers over here, and in the right hand side you will see your available connects. Now in the method 2, what you can do is you can simply just get some bonuses from Upwork. So Upwork actually often give you the bonuses connection for completing certain profile steps, like verifying your email and taking the upgrade readiness test, adding a portfolio item. So each step may reward you 5 to 20 extra connects. Every single month you are also going to get 10 connects absolutely for free, which you can then use in order to apply for any of the jobs over here. If needed, you can also purchase more connects from Upwork, and it is going to cost you about 0.15 per connects. So in order to buy the connects, you will have to simply hover over to the right hand section and click on this drop down menu, then click on the buy connects option, and here you can basically purchase the connects. If you have any promo code, you can apply that over here and click on the apply button. So this is how you can get connects on Upwork as a new freelancer. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.